Hello students, let us continue the class. Today's topic is types of business ethics, arguments against ethics in business, models of ethics, ethical performance in business. In types of business ethics, there are the four types of ethics out there: meta ethics, descriptive ethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. First one, meta ethics. So, in this, the Greek word meta stands for behind. Thus, meta ethics literally means behind ethics, suggesting an in depth study of the discipline. In other words, it is a scientific study of the concept of ethics in itself. So, it is a study of original and meaning of ethical concepts. Second one, descriptive ethics. So, this is a study of people's beliefs about morality. It consists with the perception or normative ethics, which is the study of ethical theories that prescribe how people sought to act. And the third one, normative ethics. So, in this ethics, norms or standard are also known as values or codes. Norms set clear guidelines for social intersection in a community. So, it is a study of principles, rules, or theories that guide our action and judgment. So, whether they are right or wrong. And fourth one, applied ethics. It is a in this business ethics comes under the classification of applied ethics because it concerns itself with the special application of ethics to problems relating to a definite field of human relationship. So, this is the study of business ethics is an essential for a businessman as the study of professional norms. This applied ethics there deals with the application of normative standards to specific business experience. Next topic, arguments for business ethics in business. So, these who agree argues for the business ethics or of the view that the profit is not the only motive of a business. So, in these arguments, ethics should govern all voluntary human activities. All business need a stable society where socialist members practice the minimal standards of ethics. So, in this arguments, business as a cooperative activity need ethical behavior. A society where lying with the theft, cheating becomes business activities break down, and business becomes short slightly when they fail to implement ethical values in the organization. In first argument, each business firms has to produce only what the members of the society demands using the most efficient means of available. The very purpose of the profit is perfectly competitive free market is to survive the greater society, and the member of the society will be benefit most if the managers do not impose their own values of a business. Managers should single minded pursue profit on the ground of some assumed but unproved with the moral standards. In second arguments, managers or loyal agent should survive his employers, and employers wants to be survived in a way that will be advance his self interest. In third arguments, to be ethical, it is enough for business to obey the law. So, business ethics means to obey the law. Next one, a model of ethics. Ethics consists of mainly two relationships as an indicator of type 1 ethics and type 2 ethics. A person or organization is an ethical if these relationships combined together are strong and positive. There is a model like ethical guidance sources is leading to our beliefs what is right or wrong. It determines our action. So leading to our beliefs what is right or wrong, it is called as a type 1 ethics. Determines our action, we are calling as a name type 2 ethics. So everyone makes ethical decision or unethical decision every day. Too many changes in the work, we may not tell our incidents all the changes. May professor may error or wrong in our or their favor in their computing their grades. So this is the model of ethics. Next one, ethical performance in business. So ethics in business refers to standards of right or wrong behavior when dealing with the company's various stockholders, including the customers, employees, and vendors. So in this, ethical business performance means admiring to society. Adhering means follows to society basic rules that define right or wrong behavior. Major social challenges faced by business is to balance ethics and economic. In this, one of the major social challenges faced by business in the balance ethical and economic society wants business to be ethical and economically profitable. The three terms used to define ethics are right, proper, just. These are the highly important terms in the future compared to the past as our economic is more competitive. So, the society is becoming more crowded and technology is becoming more complex. These terms and questions are important for any business executive. So who has to be take multi decision in the way that are behind their in his own control.